like to my video, subscribe to my channel and don't forget to on the notification bell. Hello friends, I am Disha. Welcome you once again to my channel DV Craft. So let's do preparation for Diwali. So today we are going to make paper diya. So let's get started. First of all, we will take a circle and fold it in half and again fold it. Now let's take glue and stick it like this way. Press it tightly. Same way we have to make more 15. Now let's stick it one by one. Like this way. So we have to stick this all. So it has been stick. Now we have to open it like this way. And stick it here. So let's stick it. Now let's keep it for drying. So it has been stuck. Now let's keep this aside. So here I have taken a glitter paper to make light. So let's stick it here. Diya is ready. Friends, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel and comment below. Thanks for watching.